So Shannon's learning how to cook. And today we're going to cook
honey garlic chicken.
honey garlic chicken. Now there's a million videos of honey garlic chicken out there. They're all really good. We're going to do ours this way. If that's a good way, I don't know. But we like it. So Shannon's going to learn how to cook it. She's cooked simple chicken dishes before, but she's expressed a desire to really learn how to cook.
To further my cooking knowledge.
Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So honey garlic chicken, what we have here is, well, why don't you go ahead and go over.
We have some garlic, green onions, a thing of ginger, some butter. We'll be using some honey, apple cider vinegar, sesame seeds, and some soy sauce. That has been chopped and tossed in flour.
Cut the chicken up, put it in flour, but we're going to pan fry it first. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is dice up our garlic. So the best way to do that is hold it like this.
Push down?
Smash it. Be careful, the knife is very sharp.
I know. They just like push down?
Yeah. There you go.
That's hard.
All right. What you could do, to undress them, you can do the same thing. So you take this, push it. Takes
Off the
paper.
It'll be easy to get. Okay, I see.
It's closed. So one thing we're doing different about our chicken, we're putting ginger in. So I like ginger. It makes a nice flavor, and it's a superfood. We also mix ginger in with our rice when we cook our rice to get that little bit of extra flavor. And now you got this little root end there. Go and take that off. And just dice up your All right, now we're going to cut up your onion. Okay. So the green onion, you're going to again take the root section off. You're going to come here.
So if I were
Put that away.
I have chopped the green onions.
And now you're going to pour a little bit of onion oil, maybe like a tablespoon. I'll tell you when to stop.
Okay,
Go
yeah,
ahead,
I don't know how to gauge that quite yet.
Good. Now put 3 pats of butter in there. So what you're going to do is your oil is your lubrication, your butter is your flavor.
Okay.
So we're going to saute your chicken in the butter. Put the chicken in there.
All of it?
But here, you want to pour it in, you don't want it to splash.
Splash, yeah.
So do it away from you. Just kind of push it in. See it splashed out.
Yeah.
But it splashed away from us and not at us. We're cooking this on medium-high. But we're going to go to high right now. High is up to 425 degrees, or that's what it's. Let's see what we're at. This is. What good are you? That's not bad.
Turn them up. Add the butter.
Add the butter. And then add some oil on the butter, just a little bit, right on top of it. That's good. Now add your. Oh, yep, throw it, just dump it all in there. And get it all mixed in together with this spatula. Grab some of that green onion over there, throw in there. Just let it set for now. Just get all your onion on there and just let it set for a second. Add your soy sauce. Pour it right on there. Do a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 1, 2. Just start with honey in it. Now mix all that together and we'll let it simmer for a while.
Testing the chicken, it looks nice and white.
Looks good. All right. Ready to give it a taste?
Yes.
All right. Shannon Rose, give that a taste. Good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see here. That's some good shit. All right, there you have it. Garlic chicken.
Thanks for cooking with us.